In today's fast-paced digital world, staying connected across multiple devices can be quite a challenge, especially when it comes to maintaining battery life. Enter the multi-device fast charging cable, a sleek, innovative 3-in-1 solution designed to make your life easier. This versatile cable is designed with 3 different connectors: USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB, making it compatible with almost any device on the market. Whether you're an Android enthusiast, an Apple aficionado, or anything in between, this cable has got you covered. One of the standout features of this cable is its power delivery PD 100W capability. With the ability to deliver up to 100 watts of charging power, it ensures that even the most power-hungry devices can be charged quickly and efficiently. This is particularly useful for devices like laptops, tablets, and fast-charging smartphones that require more power than typical USB cables can handle. Convenience is at the core of the multi-device fast-charging cable's design. By integrating 3 connectors into one cable, it eliminates the need to carry multiple chargers and cables for different devices. This is particularly beneficial for travelers, commuters, or anyone who needs to stay connected on the go. Finally, the build quality of the cable is top-notch, featuring durable materials that resist fraying and wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliability. For those looking to simplify their charging needs without compromising on performance, the multi-device fast charging cable is available online at dropkeyferryprime.com. Don't miss out on this essential accessory to keep all your devices powered up and ready to go.